Don't throw away the skin. Never. I love the skin. Okay, listen. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants. No dairy. The next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated. From quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Hey, I'm Carnivore Girl. Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. So I'm still trying to wear everything from that big bag that's full of clothes, my old clothes from my friends. They don't want it anymore. So I want to wear everything once, then I give it away. And this shirt, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna flex and it's just gonna explode. Ugh, it's so uncomfortable. It's way too tight. Anyways, my hair I just put up so it's in the way. It's actually, yeah, it's really easy, really fun. It's actually not always just a messy bun. Let's go. What are we gonna do today? Ooh, here. Sorry, here. So, what is this? Salmon skin. I want to make salmon skin chips. So I already laid them out on these. I have salt for me, fish, and especially like chips always need salt. Not too much, but a bit. So now I'm gonna turn them over. And actually, except for that one, as you can see, maybe this one here is much fresher. Actually, oh well, I leave it on. Those skins were all frozen. So I used salmon before and then I froze the skins. And now I want to use them. So this will also be a little bit of an experiment if that works, except for that one. That one is totally fresh. Also, not totally, but very fresh. So you can also see different salmon skins. Salt again. So now, as you can see, I have 2 layers and this is perfect. Both these came with the Ninja Foodi. That one is a smaller one, and when I do 2 stacks, I always do it this way. So this works amazingly. Look how great. Haha, perfect. And you have to do that before you put it in the Ninja Foodi, otherwise you can't put it in. So let me turn you to the Ninja Foodi, of course. Here you go. So let me bring over those skins without ripping the shirt. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get out of that shirt. So put it in here, close, dehydrate. So when I push dehydrate, it always starts with 150. And it goes down to 105. That one I tried, I figured out that one is kind of too low. 120 I think is quite good, or 100, let's do 135. Start. How long? I have no idea. I'm just gonna put the timer up all the way. It goes to 12 hours. So maybe I'm gonna add more. We will see. But so I will see you later. And I'm excited. I love fish skin, salmon skin. And I'm back, and ta-da! So I left them in the Ninja Foodi at 135 Fahrenheit for like 12 hours. Here I have really thin ones. I took those out earlier, and those here I left in a little bit longer. So I didn't try it yet. They sound chippy. Ooh, which one should I try? I usually always try the one that doesn't look the best. Like, well, let's try this one here. I'm actually super excited to try that one because it still has a little bit of the flesh in here, and it's super, you can see it's kind of shiny. Here another one, see, it has like all the good fats, but then we have, yeah, here usually they like more fatty here, and here they're more dried out. That one, oh no, that one also, ooh, that one's almost see-through. No, it's not, but yeah, so that one here looks less fatty. That one really looks like a chip, like, so yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, listen. Now I'm thinking, oh wow. Should I have left it in longer? Oh wow, really salmony, really fishy, but good. So it's very crunchy, but then it's very chewy. But I actually like chewy sometimes. Also, I feel it's good for my teeth. It's like, you know, those rawhide and those sticks you give the dogs for their teeth, so they chew on it. I feel like that. Oh man, I like that. I actually like food. I like food you have to work for. So like a whole lobster or something, you can't just bite in, you have to work for it. I also like food that takes a while to eat, because it's not good to eat in front of the TV or to do something else, I know. But sometimes you're just watching something and you just mindlessly eat. But you really have to, takes a while. So I like that. Let's try another one. Let's try that one here. I'm still chewing on the other one, so I don't know if all of them are the same. That one is much more crispy. Yeah, even though it looks like totally done, maybe I should have left it in longer. That's one of the one I took out maybe about 6 hours ago instead of 12. Oh yeah, that one is much easier to eat. It's also from a different salmon, so that one still has a little bit of flesh on it. Super good. I like it. Yeah, that one is easier to eat. Anyway, oh great. I was looking forward so much for these. That is so cool. So don't throw away the skin, never. I love the skin. Well, if you, or just leave the skin on when you cook some salmon, but I love salmon raw. I absolutely love it raw, but I don't like the skin raw. So I love buying whole fish if I can. It's quite expensive right now, but I like, when I buy fish fillets, I always like to buy them with the skin. So it's great. I can eat the salmon raw, and then I can make those chips, and they're fantastic. It's great. Those a little bit chewy, so maybe I put them back in. That one that I tried here, really great. Okay, so that was it for this episode. I'm gonna keep crunching here. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.